reNature changes the structure of soil to encourage healthy soil aggregation and improve the availability of air, water, and nutrients for your plant roots. I'm Dr. Keya Howard, Chief Science Officer at reNature. In this video, I'm going to walk through a quick demo of how this works. We have the same saline soil divided into two pots, one treated for 3 weeks with reNature, the other a control treated with deionized water. We'll start by placing the soil in beakers filled with water. Note the visible gases being released by the soil treated with reNature, moving up through the beaker. By contrast, no bubbles move up in the control beaker. After 5 minutes, the soil has settled. These beakers now show two different soil structures. Observe how in the soil treated with deionized water, the soil has a compact, uniform soil structure. The small particles in these soil layers greatly restrict the movement of water, air, and roots. Additionally, the water is very cloudy. This is because dispersed clay particles are suspended in the water. Sodium ions attached to the clay particles cause them to repel each other, keeping them from clumping and creating larger soil clusters needed for water infiltration and drainage. The second beaker treated with reNature looks completely different than the control. This soil has clusters of various shapes and sizes. See the bubbles of air on the surface of and trapped within the soil layers? Water can infiltrate and drain through large pores created between clusters. Air and nutrients move through the space created by water draining out, creating the bubbles you see. This water is more clear than in the other beaker. Clay particles have settled out and are no longer suspended. reNature's product contains organic matter and fulvic acids, which remove the sodium that caused the particle dispersion in the deionized beaker. This demonstration shows how reNature has changed the structure of soil, improving availability of air, nutrients, and water that plants need to grow. Thanks for joining me for this soil structure demonstration.